Hello and welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer. Today, we have an exciting product to dive into, the Surface Pro Keyboard by Erkovia. This ultra-slim portable Bluetooth wireless keyboard is designed specifically for the Surface Pro 8, 9, and X. Packed with features to enhance your productivity and user experience. Let's get started. The Erkovia Surface Pro Keyboard boasts an elegant design in an elegant grey color, perfectly complementing your Surface Pro device. It features a multifunctional keyboard layout with 78 keys, including independent shortcut keys for convenient access to functions like screenshots, lock screen, and volume adjustment. One of the standout features of this keyboard is its multi-gesture touchpad, providing efficient operation with support for up to 12 gestures, including 4-finger operation. This enhances your productivity by allowing seamless navigation and control of your Surface Pro. Another highlight is the 7-color backlit functionality with 3 brightness levels, allowing you to work comfortably in various lighting conditions. Plus, the built-in pencil holder provides a convenient storage solution for your Surface Pen. Adjusting your typing angle for optimal comfort is made easy with the detachable design and magnetic adsorption feature. With a rechargeable battery offering up to 60 hours of continuous usage time, you can stay productive without worrying about frequent charging. Connectivity is seamless with Bluetooth 5.2 technology, ensuring a stable connection up to 10 meters away from your device. Plus, Erkovia offers 100% after-sales guarantee, providing product support and assistance within 24 hours. Now, let's hear what customers are saying about the Erkovia Surface Pro Keyboard. As you can see, customers are thrilled with the connectivity, performance, and quality of this keyboard. Its lightweight design, ergonomic features, and impressive functionality make it a must-have accessory for Surface Pro users. In conclusion, the Erkovia Surface Pro Keyboard offers a blend of style, functionality, and convenience, enhancing your overall computing experience. Whether you're typing, sketching, or navigating, this keyboard is sure to meet your needs. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews and tech insights. Until next time, happy typing!